Ladies and gentlemen, based on the intel received, Dhao was operating in Pakistan territorial waters, and two skiffs, which you can see right now, right in front of you, have been off-boarded from the Dhao and are embarked. Terrorists, along with arms and ammunition, are currently heading towards the Seaview beach. Ladies and gentlemen, the general modus operandi of these non-state actors is that these usually operate in the night in the garb of local fishermen. The movement of these groups is undertaken on big howdahs or cargo dhows, along with full skiffs placed upon them, which are suitably offloaded, and in turn they make their way towards a favorable beachhead. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, terrorists have established a stronghold inside the mock-up building with arms and ammunition. A few civilians present inside the compound have also been held hostage. Ladies and gentlemen, in order to curb this menace, elements of Special Service Group Pakistan Navy have now been tasked to mobilize and undertake this counter-terrorist operation in order to neutralize these non-state actors. Ladies and gentlemen, as the scenario unfolds, two sniper teams have also taken their positions on the right and left-hand side of the stronghold in order to observe the battlefield, to give clearance to counter-terrorist teams for their advanced movements, and to neutralize any threat on their own as they deem appropriate.
Base, this is Overwatch. Overwatch deployed. Overwatch, this is Base, Roger. Base, this is Overwatch. Shots fired, no movement detected. Base, Roger.
Ladies and gentlemen, now you will witness two Special Service Group counter-terrorist teams being led by Lieutenant Ahmad from 14th Anti-Terrorist Battalion, utilizing fast rope techniques to insert into the scene of the incident and commence clearance operation.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, both the teams have successfully rappelled down from the helicopter and are now holding ground, maintaining 360-degree security. Ladies and gentlemen, now as you can see, Compound Raki is currently in progress utilizing quadcopters, which will enable the counter-terrorist teams to plan the operation with enhanced deliberation and clarity.
Ladies and gentlemen, teams have stacked up in two separate groups known as alphas. Here teams will carry out breaching and room entry procedures, neutralizing all terrorists along with retrieving hostages safely from terrorists' hold.
Base, this is Whiplash. In position. Base, roger. Eagle, give me visuals. Base, this is Whiplash. Applying breaching charges.
Ladies and gentlemen, now teams will carry out breaching of the compound after planting breaching charges. Ladies and gentlemen, both teams have made entry and are eliminating the terrorists in a swift and tactical manner.
Base, Whiplash. Tango's down. Package recovered. This is base, roger.
After all rooms are cleared and terrorists have been neutralized, now alphas will carry out tactical sweep of the compound to ascertain all threats have been neutralized.
Base, reception area being established. Roger. Whiplash, this is base. Gas can is in the area.
Ladies and gentlemen, as the assault objectives have been met and compound is cleared, a reception area will now be formed outside the compound which will account for all captured, wounded or casualties from both sides along with status of recovered hostages. Ladies and gentlemen, once reception area proceedings are complete, extraction of Special Service Group Navy teams along with safely recovered hostages would be carried out using Pak Marine's hovercrafts, which you can see have already made their way right in front of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, right in front of you are two Pakistan Marines hovercrafts under command of Lieutenant Commander Fazal, Lieutenant Osama, and Lieutenant Commander Fahad Umair, along with Lieutenant Ahmed. These are amphibious crafts capable to operate swiftly on water and as well as on land. Ladies and gentlemen, these hovercrafts are vastly being operated in creek areas by 32 creek battalions for the purpose of search and rescue, carrying troops to and from areas that are environmentally challenged and unreachable by other water or land crafts.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you can observe, the extraction of both teams is currently under process.
Base, this is Whiplash. Alhamdulillah, mission accomplished. Permission to RGB.